It's Cole McLeod from the StockMarketBasics.com, on Twitter at Scalp.Stock, and here we're at the Freedom 35 top long stock pick for June 6, 2014. Now, number one long that we are on our list for Friday's trading session is VNDA. This is in the pharmaceutical sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now, we're liking this one as a long for Friday for the following reasons. The stock has been selling off for the past several months. Yesterday, the stock gapped up out of nowhere and ran on heavy volume, pulling back into the close. And on today's trading session, the stock opened lower and powered up towards the highs, closing strongly. We'll see if there are any buyers willing to push this stock up any further as the market opens on Friday, and if it does manage to trade above 13 and 10 cents a share, we will consider it as an intraday long trade with a daily price target of $13.90. Here's a daily chart of VNDA. Once again, my name is Cole McLeod from the StockMarketBasics.com, on Twitter at Scalp.Stock. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for future updates, as well as check out our Freedom 35 membership program.